Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and in today's Clean With Me, I am going to be deep cleaning the master bedroom and the master bathroom because, let's face it, they're both a little too messy for my liking. So I'm going to be starting in the bathroom, and if you are new here, stick around and subscribe to my channel. We would absolutely love to have you join the family. Now let's get started. So like I said, I'm starting in the bathroom. I'm going to start with this Clorox Cleanup Cleaner Plus Bleach, and I'm going to be using this in the shower bath area, and I'm just going to spray this all over, and then I'm going to give it a really good scrubbing. I really like using a bleach cleaning product to clean our showers and our bathtubs. I feel like everything just gets so much cleaner. I know a lot of people disagree with that, and that is totally fine, to each their own. I just make sure to rinse everything down super well before moving on to my next task on my cleaning list. But I'm glad you're here. I'll be using this Clorox Clinging Bleach Gel to clean the toilet, and I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to let that sit while I use these disinfecting wipes from Costco, which are my favorite disinfectant wipes ever, to clean around the toilet and the rest of the toilet. I will also be using those Kirkland disinfecting wipes to wipe down the baseboards in the entire bathroom. They work so well for this, and they have such a nice fresh scent to them. I really love these disinfecting wipes so much. If you're new around here, you do not know this, but we just moved into our house about a month ago. We just bought this house, and I didn't do a super deep clean of everything before moving in, so I found some serious dust bunnies. So as a precautionary measure, I went back in with that bleach cleanup spray by Clorox and just sprayed around the entire toilet and let that sit for a minute before scrubbing it, because I don't even want to know what other stuff was down there and for how long, because yuck. I am using those disinfectant wipes again, and I'm just scrubbing the walls and the baseboards because there's some stuff on there that just needs to be cleaned off really badly. I actually really need to come back in and paint the bathroom again one day because there's just chip marks and scuff marks all over everything. I don't know if it's from the movers moving our stuff in or if it's from the previous owners, but it just needed a really good deep cleaning so that hopefully soon I can go back in and just repaint everything. I am now going to be moving on to dusting the plantation shutters with a Swiffer duster. Usually there is a wand for these things, but I have two little children, a 4-year-old little boy named Tegan and a 15-month-old little girl named Kingsley, and they like to take these things and use it as a magic wand. So it is missing, and I'm just using it to dust it by hand. I am also going to be using this toothbrush. It's an old toothbrush that one of my kids had, and spraying a little bleach on it and getting the gunk and the grime off of these light switches. I'll be doing this to all of our light switches because they're pretty grimy and they're pretty gross. I'll be using that Clorox bleach cleanup spray to clean around the sink as well as the sink, and then I'm going to scrub it all really well, make it super nice and clean, so clean that you feel comfortable putting your toothbrush down on the countertops and then using your toothbrush. So I'm going to scrub this, clean it up really nicely, and then make sure I get any excess bleach off of the counters. Whoops. Yeah, that happened. I'm going to be using the Great Value version of Windex Glass Cleaner to clean our mirrors. It works super well. It was really cheap. It just doesn't have the Windex scent that I actually really like, but it does work super great. And then next I'm just going to scrub these light switches as I did before. These ones were super grimy and it's super disgusting because, like I said, we just moved in a month ago, so it's not from us, and that is absolutely scary to think about. I'm gonna make my bed now. I feel so much more motivated when I have a made bed. I just have been slacking on it lately. I don't get it done in the morning like I usually like to, but that's okay. Today I am making my bed and I feel so much more motivated to get the rest of my cleaning done. We will just ignore those white spots on my wall because those are holes that I had to patch and I still need to paint them. Now I'm just going to straighten up my desk, get it back in working order, put stuff away. Yes, that drawer is a mess. And I'm going to use these disinfecting wipes to wipe everything down because I haven't cleaned my desk in a very long time, as you could probably tell. But I'm just using these amazing disinfecting wipes from Costco to wipe the surfaces down. And now I'm going to put away some laundry that needs to be put away, put other stuff in a laundry basket, and clear off my dresser and clean that as well. I'm going to be using those Kirkland disinfecting wipes to wipe down my dresser as well. And now I'm just going to dust these shelves and all of our picture frames using a Swiffer duster, and just make sure that everything is nice and dust free before putting the pictures back on the shelf. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of the room, on the other shelves. Just dust everything and make sure everything is nice and dust free because I am super sensitive to dust. I'll be using that Great Value glass cleaner again on this mirror to get this one nice and clean. There was fingerprints and handprints all over it because I had it sitting on the floor. And now I am going to be dusting our vents, well, vacuuming the vents because I don't have a ladder to stand on to dust them, but they were dusty and they really, really needed it. And while I am in the business of dusting everything, I am going to dust our plantation shutters on this side of the room and get those super nice and dust free, as well as the top of the windowsill and the windows themselves. Okay, at the risk of sounding like a crazy lady, I am dusting my walls. Yes, I am dusting my walls using a Swiffer duster. Corey is my husband. If you are new here, you do not know his name, but Corey is my husband, and we were trying to paint match the paint so that we could paint those little white patches on the wall, and he ran his hand across the wall and it was just covered in dust. It was so disgusting. So I decided I was gonna dust all of the walls in our bedroom, and let me tell you, they were so gross. I could not believe how much dust was on these walls, and you just don't even notice it because the walls are a darker color. Now that my dusting is done, I'm going to use those Kirkland wipes again and just wipe down anything that I find on the shutters, and then I'm also going to wipe down all the baseboards in our bedroom as well. And as you can see, I'm just using a toothbrush again to clean the light switches in our bedroom and get those nice and grime free. And now I am moving on to vacuuming my room. As you can see, my little helper woke up from her nap. She loves to help me vacuum. And my son also loves to help me vacuum, but he was a little busy, so I have my little helper Kingsley today helping me vacuum my bedroom. And I'm just going to vacuum using my Shark Rocket vacuum. I'm obsessed with this vacuum. It stores so nicely and it is very compact and lightweight, and it maneuvers so well. I have no issues with it, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who is looking for a vacuum. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. Now I'm moving on to mopping the bathroom floors using the Swiffer Sweeper Wet Heavy Duty pads on my Swiffer. I am totally cheating on my O-Cedar mop and using these, but they work really well and they smell really fresh. Okay, you guys, I hope that this video is giving you the cleaning motivation that you might be needing to get your cleaning done. I really enjoy putting these videos out there for you guys, and if you like this, give it a big, huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are new, stick around and subscribe to my channel and join this super awesome community. We would love to have you join the family. I hope that you have a super amazing day and a super amazing week. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Have an amazing day. Bye!